Oh, we wander through the valleys and hills. Ecuador's beauty, it gives us chills. In the jungle, we find peace so sweet. Paths of greenery under our feet. Guided free, like the river to the sea. Guided
So
free.
we just woke up here for a little second ago. We are packing up our stuff here from this room before we leave for Baños! Bye-bye! Little place to buy a little bit of breakfast. One thing I'll never get tired of is the prices. Look at the nut mix and 6 fruits for just $1.9.
Guided free, righteousness and harmony. Guided free, guided free. Feel the spirits, let them be. Guided free, guided free. Oh, under the sun, radiant glow. People and colors, they warmly flow through ancient cities. Stories they tell. With every step, we're under despair. Guided free.
Look at this. This is a Lada. It's like the #1 most sold in Russia. It also says here in Spanish, Poder Ruso, which is like Russian power. Look at this, man. It's a pretty iconic car. I'll add a clip online so you can see what I mean. Ok, perfecto. Gracias. Ooh.
Okay, we are sitting in the dark right now. All the electricity is gone here in Baños.
We asked the lady who works here, like, you know, as you could see in the footage right before, when you walk in the city, it's just completely dark, and we're like, what the hell? The whole city is shut off, and there's like generators everywhere. So like, well, what's happening, right? What the government says is that the hydroelectrics of the country, which is one of their primary sources of electricity, there hasn't been much water the last 2 months, and therefore there's not too much electricity. So the government shuts off the lights.
And now we are sitting in Sativa Cafe in Baños. We just got a kombucha, and we both agreed that it's the best kombucha we've ever had. And this is a vegetarian restaurant, so we're pretty excited for our vegetarian burrito and some quesadillas.
Exactly. Yeah, precies.
So today, the two trippy travelers are gonna rent some mountain bikes here in Baños, and then we're gonna follow a path to see a lot of beautiful waterfalls.
Especially one of them, the biggest one, it's like 80 meters tall. Really excited to get some drone footage of that one. From the moment we arrived at the hostel, we got some kind of shady vibes from the guy who works there.
Not just shady, he was like fucking pig. He was like looking up and down, and you know, even when Chris was there, and it was just too much over my boundaries. And I can't believe he's working in a hostel.
Exactly, yeah.
Found the best coffee so far.
Sí, es mejor. The kids just wanted wanted a photo with us. We are the tourist attraction in the tourist attraction.
Oh, we wander through the valleys and hills. Ecuador's beauty, it gives us chills. In the jungle, we find peace so sweet. Paths of greenery under our feet. Guided free, like the river to the sea. Guided free, righteousness and harmony. Guided free, oh my God. Feel the spirits, let them be. Guided free, oh, under the sun, radiant glow. People and colors, they warmly flow through cities, stories they tell. With every step, we're under despair.
We finally made it to the...
Salón del Diablo.
Yeah, so it's the most famous waterfall here in Baños. In 1.5 hours, we did 1650 kilometers.
Guided free, guided free. Like the river to the sea. Guided free, guided free. By just blessed harmony. Guided free, guided free. Feel the spirits, let them be. Through the mountains, where the sky meets the land. We feel the blessings in our traveling hands.
Minos. Vi ska leva lite. Det tunnel bana monkey.
Okay, I just tried a large, and then they told me to like sit down and squat, and the pants just went. So, men hvis jeg skal lave yoga, right?
Okay.
Der er det ikke lige natbukser, altså dem her, de er sådan ret. Jeg tager dem her på.
Half an hour later and trying 20 different pants, we
found the color I wanted. Well, I'm pretty specific, you know. Yeah. If you're gonna spend money, you want to make sure you like it.
Exactly,
yeah.
Exactly.
Verde y picante. Aquí tiene.
Perfecto, gracias. Look at this, Dori Pollo. It's like Doritos where they open the bag and then add chicken, guacamole, cheese, salsa, beans.
Rooted with love in this vibrant state. Freedom flows in the peace we share. Guided free, guided free. Like the river to the sea.
So, we are now on our way to some hot springs nearby here in the city.
And I'm just having a little healthy snack because I gained 10 kilos when we were living in Canada for 2 years, and I can't tell you how. Because it wasn't because I was eating too much or too bad. It's just because the food there is so processed. So no matter what I did, I was exercising, not eating like a crazy bitch, and still I gained 10 kilos. So now, time to lose them all again.
You have the caps?
Det ligner et æggehoved.
Det kigger vi get os der. Jeg har købt den her. Jeg har ventet på det her hele mit liv.
That's so good. Den sidder rigtig grim på mig igen. Jeg ved ikke hvorfor.
Chef, prøv se min nakke. Det ser for sygt ud, så det? Okay.
Det er en dårlig vinkel.
Det ligger bare at slappe helt af. So we just arrived at Thermal Waters, and besides paying to get in, they also made us pay to get these condoms over our head. But besides that, everything is just fine. We're enjoying here some hot waters next to a beautiful waterfall and a beautiful view from the city.
Alright guys, this is what I call recycle when it's best. Look at this. This is made from like old pipes and they use it as a shoe holder. How cool is that? Be more green.
Guided free, like the river to the sea. Guided free, by just blessed harmony. Guided free, feel the spirits, let them be.